go, there we go. A lot of circuitry. Circuitry that can go right and go wrong. Oh, one-hander getting off the cycle. So freestyle motocross has come a long, long way. Just the course of a decade, thanks to the event known as the X Games, these athletes are able to push it, and do that. Oh, big whip flip right there. Something we weren't only seeing only on dirt just a year ago. These guys laying down X Games quality tricks right here for you in Atlanta. What do you think? Oh, Carter taking a look behind him, not even spotting his landing as he goes on that whip. Here comes Jack Rose. Wind catching him a little bit there on that stripper, kind of blew his skirt up a little bit. He had to pull it back out. Yep, jumping in his skirt with the wind, running by the bike. Wow, gorgeous day out. This cloud cover up top is making for some great photos. You may be curious how these guys, how they train for this. Well, they're obviously